I found this property on the MLS. It was listed at $649,000. I put in an offer at $600,000 and it was accepted.
It's a gem, honey, for sure.
I mean,
it looks like it needs a lot of work. We make offers on the MLS every single day without seeing them because in our business, it's the law of large numbers. We own it or?
We don't own it yet. We haven't accepted offer. I mean, we still have to walk through it and see if we want to for sure buy it.
It looks rough, super rough.
Rough is good, right? So we're accepted at 600.
Okay.
It sits as a 4-bed, 1-bath, 1,053 square feet.
Oh, it's tiny.
On a little over 10,000 square feet of land.
That's huge.
I think we can sell this property for just over $1 million. So we have it at 600.
Yeah.
We can sell it at $1 million. We take out holding costs, closing costs of $100,000. Take out the reno. Just on the numbers, we have to be below 200,000 in order to hit our minimum profit of 100 grand.
It's rough just from the outside. If it's over 200 after we walk through this, then what?
We can't do it.
Yeah, gotta cancel.
It does not work. But imagine finding a local family.
Yeah, and putting them in here below median. It'd be nice. All right, let's go inside.
Okay. Euphelia?
Hey.
Hey.
Hi.
How's it going?
How'd you like the front?
I like it. Lots of land.
I love this area.
Yes.
Love, love, love this area.
Very nice area.
Not a ton of like renovations happening in this area yet.
On this street.
On this street, yeah.
Yes. It seems
On the
like
other
that
side, there has been a bunch.
And it's coming up.
So, I like these open beams.
A little bit small in here.
It's because there's a wall right here.
Gotta get rid of this wall.
Yeah, but we don't know what's behind it. Look at the flooring.
There's multiple different types of flooring in this house.
2.
3.
It's very interesting.
I'm seeing termites in here. There is no backyard.
The root system is cracking on the concrete. So like we would have to address this too and make it level.
Yeah, now that you're sitting comfortably right there, did you notice the wall right behind you?
When I look this way, I see it leaning. This is like 20 grand to fix this retaining wall.
I think max for this repair, 10 grand.
It's holding up this whole side.
Okay, I get it. This is not gonna be 20 grand though.
You always just have wishful thinking, you know what I mean? Best case scenario. I'm the realist. But I think I'm better at just the renovation side of it.
Clearly that's your side of the business.
Divide and conquer. We're over 200. This is our overage. Like no matter what, you know what I mean?
We'll have to find some savings in the house somewhere. But that's like 5 grand. I'm not gonna hold up buying this house for 5 grand.
I really want to buy the house. I really want to rework it, make it a nice house for this neighborhood and get a family back in here. I can meet with Trav, I can meet with a contractor, and I can see how to bring the price down, but that's where I genuinely think we're at. I think this alone, oh my God, I'm for real out. That's a fucking huge centipede. Those are straight from the pit of hell. Those are the devil's creatures.
I think we're ready to move forward, get escrow open.
Yeah, we'll drop EMD tomorrow.
We closed on the house. We just picked up the keys. Now it's time to start demo. Steve is one of the crews that we work with. He is a local crew. I think the junk guys are showing up. You want to go meet them and show them
all the
back
junk?
of the house, all
yeah,
the crap.
I can do that. I just want to demo the kitchen, demo the bathrooms.
It'll look totally different when you come back.
Great. Open concept. You finding anything good? Are you getting distracted by the big loud bang? So everything's been cleared out inside. Framing has begun for the primary and the ensuite bath.
The retaining wall is really expensive.
I would say that your positive thinking and manifesting totally works about 99% of the time, but this 1%, I was right.
I'm very wrong.
You were very wrong.
But The crew is working super fast, which is great for our tight timeline.
They finished demo in the back, and now they're starting to install new siding. Once that's done, they'll start building the foundation in the back so the house is all on one level. When we bought this house, the back section had a weird step down. So Steve's crew needed to build up the foundation so the whole house could be on one level.
The crew seems to be making progress. They're working on interior framing, and outside, they're prepping for new windows and working on the back stairs. We got word from the crew that framing is finally done, and it took 2 weeks longer than it should have. Our budget and timeline for this project keeps taking hit after hit, and eventually it's gonna start to affect our profit margin.
This beam right here above, going to get the new beam in there Monday, Tuesday.
It's been 2 weeks since we've met with Steve. I've been getting updates, the crew is making progress, and drywall is supposed to be done. But to be honest, I'm really nervous on what I'm gonna see. Steve,
Right here.
it looks so good in here.
Thank you. The ceiling, remember was angled?
Yeah.
We
It was
kept them
good.
angled.
Yeah.
Yeah, because my guys dropped it.
It looks good.
I just kept the angle.
Yeah.
So
And then you
we're
guys
back.
ran the floor joists.
Yes, the floor joists, the mid-span joists is underneath the beam.
Feels
Yeah.
rock
Not
solid.
bouncy. Yeah, and we even put footings to hold that up.
Yeah, no, it looks really good.
Good. We've come a long way since just a couple weeks ago. You happy? Are we good?
I'm very happy.
Yeah.
But that's how quick I know you guys can move.
know,
I think that's
yeah.
why I was so frustrated. I know what you guys are capable of, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
What do you think for a timeline?
I think 2.5, 3 weeks.
No,
right
I
there,
agree. I
so.
think 3 weeks is spot on. We're right there.
Sweet.
There's no way to make up for the 2 weeks that we lost with this framing fiasco. Every single week that we hold on to this property costs us $2,000 in holding costs. That just goes right out of our profit. The best we can hope for is that the crew keeps up the momentum and we finish this house in 3 weeks. So we'll just finish this one and then
Keep
on to
pushing.
the next.
Okay. Next.
Next. The crew's picked up the pace, and in the last week, they've installed the flooring and the kitchen cabinets. Kamohai and I are dropping off the fixtures for the kitchen and the bathrooms. And the crew has moved on to painting the exterior.
We've had a lot of hits on this house, especially in that back section. Even though our margins are real tight on this house, it's just not in our DNA to cut corners. Where the heck are we with numbers on this house?
When we purchased this house, we had a minimum profit margin of $100,000. We went over budget.
We took so many hits.
That wall alone was 20. Landscaping was another 10. And we are also over on timeline. Now we are only looking at a profit of about $30,000. We cannot go any lower than that. We're at 270.
No way.
We just have to get out of this project, like immediately.
I want to sell this house off market.
Yeah, so do I. When we say that we're gonna sell property off market, that literally means that we are the ones listing the house for sale by owner. We're not using real estate agents. We're literally working directly with a buyer.
Our off-market price is $1,025,000, $1,050,000. If we have to take this on market, we need to add
$100,000 to it.
right, and those are just commissions that we would pay a realtor, and that's 1.1 to 1.125. Selling the house off market isn't going to change our profit at all. but it allows us to sell the house for a little bit less, which hopefully attracts more local buyers. Let's do it.
Okay. The crew is finished building the carport and construction is done. Now we're just gonna add the staging and all the last minute details so it's ready to sell.
How do you feel? All pow?
Yeah, I think it looks really cute. I'm ready to show it off
Me too.
and get it sold.
When we were looking at this house originally, we were working with the listing agent, Euphelia, and one of her requests was that we bring her back and show her a finished product.
Hi.
Hey.
How are you?
Oh, I'm doing well. Good to see you guys. Oh, my God.
Come over here and take it in.
Oh. Amazing.
I think it came out good.
I can feel the good mana.
Oh, good.
I love that.
That you brought-
Bless it.
Yeah.
See?
Glad you can feel it.
No. I can feel the good vibe.
Do you remember what this was like when we bought it?
It was a sad house that I know had this in it. Gone are the plants growing out of the gutter.
Yes.
I'm loving the yard. It's a really nice setup for a family because you've got the enclosed yard, right, with the fence. I can see this little play area or a sitting area right here, which is absolutely gorgeous. I love the new windows and how you frame that.
What about the paint color?
Love the paint color.
I wanted to go really neutral, you know, with like this creamy. I feel like that will be safe for 20 years.
It makes the house look bigger. I also noticed that you redid the whole carport.
We did. Now
Couldn't
we
even
can
fit a full-size
You
car
can
in
put
there.
No,
full-size car.
Yeah.
Well, I'm excited to show you inside. There was a lot of challenges with this house.
I know of the challenges because I listed the challenges when I listed the house.
It was very dirty. It was full of stuff. The pink bathroom will never leave me.
The pink bathroom?
I mean, that back patio area was falling in on itself.
Exactly. 'Cause I know
Yeah.
there was so much potential.
Let's go inside. Let's
Okay,
stop
good deal.
sweating out here.
Wow. Oh my God. I'm like blown away. How did you guys do this? It's not even the same house. This was the living area, and I think the living area only went to like here.
Yep.
Oh, this is like so nice. And look at the beam. So you guys replaced that.
Place the beam. Got rid of all the posts that were hanging out right
I
here.
remember the whole. Oh,
Yeah, we
gosh,
had
what a
to
job.
open everything up.
love the colors, love the flooring. This is.
It's wild,
mean-
right?
Kitchen totally relocated.
I love how much counter space this is. It's not vanilla. That is for sure.
It was like this tiny little galley kitchen.
With a little U shape. We had no
small.
fridge in there.
Yes.
We had just droppings from termites everywhere.
Yeah.
It was a disaster.
I think this home is going to go quick because of how you've laid this out and how, this right here. Okay, is everything.
Yeah, I
Okay.
agree. This is where the stairs were.
Oh yes. Everyone wants a pantry.
There's no
That's a big
lack
seller.
of storage in this house.
It's the first bedroom
Okay.
on this
One.
side.
Love the lighting in here. Normal size. Yeah. It's
Staged as an office.
right. Okay.
Bedroom 2.
Okay. Same thing.
Yep.
Right. Keeping it simple,
Yep.
Yeah, very
but enough
simple.
space. No, it's a nice size room.
So this
Ooh.
is the hall bath.
There was
Yes.
just a ton of stuff in there. It was really hard to like even see what this potentially could be.
Here.
Yeah.
Love how you carried that tile back in here. Yeah, nice. And on the flooring.
Yeah. So this is our third bedroom on this side.
Wow. Oh my gosh, look how open that is.
It's staged as kind of like a play.
Like a kid's, you know?
I want to show you the laundry.
Oh, wow. I love it. I love the wallpaper too.
Oh, good.
Oh my
so
gosh,
that was
good.
custom made by a local designer. I'm all about making laundry fun because it
Oh,
sucks. But are you ready for the main event?
I'm ready. Cherry on
The
top.
fourth bedroom, AKA primary suite.
Let's do it.
Wow, okay.
So you have room for a very large bed, 2 side tables. You even have a sitting room. You
Yeah, like a sitting area.
Yes.
This back corner was that blue room.
Yeah.
You remember
Really?
the room right here, and then the pink bathroom was right next
Yes.
to it?
Yes.
Yeah.
And I like how you left it kind of pitched
Yeah,
to give it
little
more
vault
room.
in it.
Yeah.
Yep.
Wow. This is wonderful.
So dual vanity, walk-in
that.
shower, custom tile.
I love how wide it is, how
Yeah,
open it is.
not
2
super
people
narrow.
can dress in here.
Easily.
Right, get ready. Oh, very easily.
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh.
It's a
Yeah.
massive closet.
Yes, it
like,
is.
it's a dream. So I added a little feature, which I've never done before, but I thought it'd be really cool to do a laundry, like drop, shoot from your primary closet. So you don't have to walk around
No.
to put laundry in the basket. You can just go boop.
Still making it easy for that owner. Oh, this is so perfect.
You've seen everything inside the house. Now we got to show you outside.
Okay, come on.
Let's go. Wow. This is so nice. Oh my gosh.
So we made this deck so it's like an accentuation, right?
Right.
Easy out to the
Little patio.
yeah.
Yes.
Brand new retaining wall. Before we
To-
could redo this, we had to redo that.
Right, to make sure that everything was safe. That's
Smart.
the main concern.
That's
So,
smart. It's a nice area of barbecue.
Thank you.
It's nice. I'm totally blown away. You guys did a fabulous job.
Thank you.
And caring for this house. I mean, I didn't know what to expect,
Yeah.
but I didn't expect this. It feels really good.
Feels good.
I'm very happy
Feels good.
with what you guys have done.
Oh, good. I'm
And the
glad.
cellar.
and there's something I have to actually grab real quick.
Oh, how nice.
So it's the flag that we found.
Thank you.
Yeah,
This
of
is
course.
Oh, wait. Let me see. It's a folded flag.
What?
Nice. Oh, yeah.
Whatever.
We got a custom box for it. The flag got totally cleaned the right way. We want to give it to you to give back
Yeah.
to the seller.
Yeah.
This is really nice.
Of course,
No, it's-
yeah.
I'm sure you'll love it.
So another way to just like pay respect to the house and the owners
Thank you.
before
Yes,
it.
Thank you so much. This is wonderful.
Yeah, it means a lot that you like it.
I love it.
It's been 2 weeks and we haven't gotten enough traction. So we brought in my sister-in-law, Taylor, who's a realtor. Hi, welcome.
Now that we're putting the house on the market, we're gonna have to raise the asking price by 6% to account for the commissions. The property was on the market for 45 days. We ended up accepting an offer at full list price. We're still in escrow right now, but when we close, we're set to make a profit of $80,000.
$80,000 is a major, major win, and we're excited to move on from this project and do more in this area in the future.